One of the easiest and most common ways to find a WordPress theme is by going to the wordpress.org repository. This is where WordPress itself stores a whole collection of free themes that you could use to add to your site. We could find this by going to wordpress.org and clicking on Themes. We could see here that we have some featured themes, as well as some most popular and newest created, as well as the option to search for themes. WordPress also has a filter and tag interface that you could use. If, for example, you were looking for a specific feature that you wanted to support on your site. When you find a theme that you do like, you could click on it to see more information about it, including a preview and the ability to download it. However, while the WordPress.org site makes it easy to find themes, there's an even easier way that's built directly into WordPress. If we come into our admin area, which we can get to by adding /wp-admin to our URL, and come into Appearance and Themes, we have the option to search for new themes directly from within admin. This will give us access to every single theme that's listed on the main WordPress site, since behind the scenes they're both accessing the same repository. For example, if you wanted to find a responsive theme, you could easily do so simply by searching from within the admin area. If you find a theme that you like, you could preview it, which will give you a more detailed view than viewing it on the WordPress.org site, since it will match the preview to your actual content. Once you find a theme that you like, you could click to install it, and then you have to click to activate it. When we come into our main Appearance Themes page, we'll see all of the themes that we have installed listed and the one that we are currently using identified as active. If we ever want to change to another theme, we could simply hover over the theme we want to use and activate that one. Once a theme is deactivated, we have the option to be able to click into it and delete it. In general, it's a good practice that if you're not using a theme, or a plugin for that matter, that you delete it from your site.